I'm Victor, and today we are diving deep, literally into one of the most common questions I get. Victor, if I drill a borehole near my house, will my foundation crack? Will my neighbor's wall collapse? Well, grab your chair because I'm about to blow your mind with some facts that will put those worries to rest. Listen, I get it. You want clean, reliable water for your family. But the last thing you need is drama with your neighbors or damage to your property. I've been in this industry for years, and I've seen the fear in people's eyes when they think about drilling a borehole. But here's the thing, and this is backed by solid data. Modern borehole drilling is safer for buildings than most people think today. I'm going to share the science, the statistics, and the truth about how we protect your structures while getting you that precious H2O. First, let's talk technique. Professional bore drilling uses what we call percussion drilling. Some people know it as the rotary drilling methods. This drilling method creates precise, controlled holes, typically 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Here's the key. We are not using dynamite or heavy machinery that pounds the ground. Modern drilling equipment creates vibration that are less than 2 millimeters per second. That's gentler than a washing machine on a spin cycle. Studies from Kenya Water Institute show that properly executed borehole drilling creates ground disturbance within a radius of 3 to 5 meters maximum. And get this, the vibrations we generate are 10 times weaker than what your building experiences during a typical Nairobi traffic day. Now, let's get into numbers that matter. Fact number 1, in a 2023 study of over 1,000 boreholes drilled in Kenya, less than 0.3% reported any structural issues with nearby buildings. That is 3 out of every 1,000 projects, and most of those were due to poor contractor practices, not the drilling itself. Fact number 2, the Kenya Association of Water Well Drillers found that 95% of foundation cracks blamed on borehole drilling were actually pre-existing issues that homeowners only noticed after becoming hyper-aware during construction. Fact number 3, professional drilling maintains a safe distance protocol. We never drill closer than 10 meters from major structures without special precautions. That's roughly the length of a matatu. So, how do we, as professional drillers, ensure your building stays safe? Let me break down our protection protocol. Step number 1, we do site assessment, whereby we conduct thorough soil analysis and structural surveys before we even unload our equipment. We are looking for soil type, water table depth, and existing structural conditions. Step number 2, strategic positioning. We use the GPS mapping to position drilling sites for maximum water yield while maintaining safe distances from foundations, septic systems, and utilities. Step number 3, we do controlled drilling speed. We don't rush. Our drilling speed is calibrated to soil conditions, typically advancing 12 to 13 meters per hour to minimize ground disturbance. Step number 4, continuous monitoring. We use vibration monitors during drilling. If readings exceed 5 mm per second, we immediately adjust our approach. Let me share some real success stories from right here in Kenya. Number 1, let's start with the capital city, Nairobi, where we drilled 87 boreholes in a densely populated residential area over 6 months. 0 structural damage reported. The secret? Proper planning and professional execution. We have an example in Embakasi, where we completed a borehole just 15 meters from a 7-story apartment. The owner was a bit terrified, but our pre-drilling assessment and the careful execution meant not even a hairline crack appeared. Another project in Eldoret, whereby we worked in a school compound, whereby the school had multiple buildings. Parents, teachers were worried, but after completion, the structural engineer confirmed 0 impact on any building integrity. Now, let's bust some myths really quick. Myth number 1, drilling will dry up my neighbor's well. That is false. Properly spaced borehole, minimum of 100 meters apart, don't interfere with each other. Myth number 2, the vibrations will crack my tiles. Not true. Our equipment generates less vibration than a concrete mixer. Another myth number 3, drilling weakens the soil permanently. That is completely wrong. The soil around a borehole actually becomes more stable once the casing is installed. The bottom line is this: when you work with certified professional borehole drillers who follow proper protocols, your buildings are safe. Period. But, and this is crucial, always make sure you verify your contractor's credentials. Ask for their certification from the Water Resource Authority. Make sure you request some references from the recent projects and ensure they carry the proper insurance. Don't let fear of imaginary damage prevent you from accessing clean, reliable water for your family.